back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of being a real estate investor and thought to yourself that you need a lot of cash to get started, today's video is for you. Today I'll be looking at the big question: can you actually start real estate investing with no money? Let's separate the facts from the fiction and reveal how some real estate investors jumped into this game with little or no money of their own. So as a real estate beginner, you might want to consider some of these options. First off, let's bust the myth of lying in real estate investing, that it's only for the rich, for the wealthy, for the big cash and the big pocket. But you have to understand that this is not always true. In fact, many successful real estate investors started with creative strategies, leveraging other people's money, resources, and even other people's time. Let's break down some of these proven ways that you can start your real estate investing with little or no cash. The most common one is wholesaling. Wholesaling of properties, where you have to find undervalued properties and assign them to a buyer for a fee. You don't need to buy the property yourself, you just need to find a motivated seller and connect that seller with a motivated investor to buy the property, and you will take your cut. The second one is through house hacking, where you have to buy a duplex, live in one unit and rent the other. You need a small down payment from FHA loan or VA loans as well. Your tenants can cover the mortgage depending on the rent. In some scenarios, you can get started with almost nothing upfront. The third one is partnering up with people who have the money. Find someone who has the resources you need. Partner up with them. You can contribute your time, your energy, your expertise, and the person will provide the funds, and both of you can split the profit, and it becomes a win-win situation for everyone. Another option is through seller financing. Some sellers would like to finance the purchase themselves. This means that you pay directly to the seller with a lower down payment or even flexible terms. This is often because the buyers are with cash reserves and they are not quickly in need of the cash. Another method is through REITs or crowdfunding, where you can invest $5 or even $10 into these platforms to invest in properties, portfolios, and projects for very little capital. You don't have to own the building directly. You don't have to do anything on your part except contribute the little $5–10 and you will get share from the profit. And of course, no money down deals aren't without their own risk. You have to be sure that you know the laws of the area where you are wholesaling those properties that you find out. Screen your partners and your tenants carefully. Always have a clear exit strategy before you're making any move. You don't want to be stuck on something you're trying out. If you are willing to put in the work, network, very well, build your knowledge like you're doing, listening to real estate investors talk about their experience and their strategies, you will definitely get there faster than you thought. Ask me this question again: if you can get started in real estate with no money? Now you know your answer is a big yes. With hard work and determination, yes, you can do real estate investing, start with zero and build over time. So among the strategies that I shared, which one will you be willing to try? Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, I will see you on the next video.